Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Putra Pratama, student from Pancasakti University Bekasi. Today, I'm gonna tell you about next testing problem. We have to set written texts that are proper or representative of the population of text. The text should elicit valid sample of writing. It is essential that the samples of writing can and will be scored validly and reliably. Representative text. Specify all possible content in order to judge whether the text we set are representative of the text that we expect students to be able to perform. We have to be clear at the outset just what the tasks are that they should be able to perform. Representative text include a representative sample of the specific content. The more text within reason that we set, the more representative of a candidate's ability, the more valid will be the totality of the sample of the candidate's ability we obtain. Elicit a valid sample of writing ability. Set as many spirit texts as is feasible. We have to offer candidates as many fresh starts as possible, and each text can represent a fresh start. By doing this, we will achieve greater reliability and so greater validity. Elicit a valid sample of reading ability. Test only reading ability and nothing else. This advice assumes that we do not want to test anything other than the ability to read. Therefore, for the sake of validity, we should not set tasks which measure other abilities such as creative, imaginative, etc. Elite a valid sample of reading ability. Restrict candidates reading text should be well defined. Candidates should know what is required of them, and they should not be allowed to go too far astray. One last thing to say about text is that the should not only fit well with the specifications, but they should also be made as authentic as possible. Ensure valid and reliable scoring. Set texts which can be reliably scored. Set as many texts as possible. The more score for each candidate. The more reliable should be the total score. Restrict candidates, the greater the restriction imposed on the candidates, the more directly comparable with will be the performance of different candidates. Give no choice of text making the candidate perform. Uh, the more the more directly comparable will be the performance of different candidates. Give no choice of text making the candidates perform. All text also makes comparisons between candidates easier. Ensure long enough sample. The sample of rating that are elicited have to be long enough for judgments to be made reliable. Reliably. Reliable. Ensure valid and reliable scoring. Create appropriate scale for scoring. Holistic scoring involves the assignment of a single score to a piece of rating on the basis of an overall impression of it. This kind of scoring has the advantage of being rapid. Analytic scoring method of scoring which require a separate scoring for each of a number of aspects of a text are said to be analytic. Ensure valid and reliable scoring. Calibrate the scale to be used. Any scale which is to be used should first calibrate, meaning collecting sample of performance college under test conditions and covering the full range of class. Select and training scores, they should be sensitive to language, have had experience of teaching, reading, and marking written work. It is also helpful if they have had training in testing. Ensure valid and reliable scoring. Follow acceptable scoring procedure. Each task of each student should be scored independently by two or more score. As many score as many possible should be involved in the assessment of each student's work. Senior member of the team should collect score and identify discrepancies in scoring award to the same piece of rating. Nevertheless, on scoring is complete. It is useful to carry out simple statistical analysis to discover is any scoring in unacceptably aberrant. Next, common text technique quiz. Test technique quiz means of eliciting behavior from candidates that will tell us about their language abilities. We need technique quiz that will elicit behavior which is reliable and valid indicator of the ability in which we are interested. Will elicit behavior which can reliable score are as economical of time and effort as possible. Will have a beneficial backwards effect where this is relevant. Multiple choice. Basic pattern. A need has been here. Have an hour. During B for C will D signs B is the answer. A, C, D are called distractor. The difficulties with multiple choice. The technique quiz test only recognition knowledge. Guessing may have a considerable but unknowable effect on test scores. The technique quiz severely restricts one can be tested. It is very difficult to read successful items because might be helpful, creating might be facilitated. Next, yes or yes or no and true and or false items. The test taker has merely to choose between yes and no, or between true and false, are effectively multiple choice item with only two options. Short answer item. Item in which the text taker has to provide a short answer are common, particularly in listening and reading tests. Example 1. What does it in the last sentence refer to? 2. How old was Hannibal when he started eating human being? And next, the advantage of multiple choice. Scoring can be perfectly reliable, rapid, and economical. Guessing will also contribute less to test score. The technique quiz is not restricted by the need for distractor. Cheating is likely to be more difficult, though great care must still be taken. It should be easier to write. And then the disadvantage of multiple choice. Responses may take longer and so reduce the possible number of items. The test take has to produce language in order to respond. Scoring may be invalid or unreliable. If judgment is required, scoring may take long. Next. Gut feeling item. Pattern. Hannibal particularly like to eat brain because of their texture and color. The answer can be found in the text gap filling items for listening or reading work best if the missing word are the found in the text or are straightforward. High frequency words with solve not present spelling problem. Gap filling items. Also used for tests of grammar and vocabulary. Example, he asked me for money. thought he knows I earn a lot less than him. Gap filling item. The advantage. It has the advantage of the short answer technique quiz. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.